You feel lazy. Not just tired, but stuck. You know you have things to do, important things, but instead you keep scrolling, delaying, waiting for the right mood. And that mood never comes. So you start thinking, maybe I'm just lazy. But here's the truth. You're not lazy. Your brain is overwhelmed. When your brain sees a big task, it treats it like a threat. Too much effort, too much pressure, too much uncertainty. So, what does it do? It avoids. That's why you open your phone. That's why you delay starting. That's why even simple tasks feel heavy. This is not laziness. This is mental resistance. And discipline doesn't come from fighting this feeling. It comes from working around it. Here's the first shift. Stop trying to do everything. When you tell yourself, I need to finish all of this today, your brain shuts down. Instead, tell yourself this: I will just do one small thing. Not everything, not perfect, just one step. Open the laptop, write one line, read one page. That's it. Make it so small that it feels almost too easy, because starting is the hardest part. Now here's the second step. Use time to your advantage. Set a timer for just 5 or 10 minutes. That's all. You're not committing to hours. You're not forcing discipline. You're just saying, I'll try for 5 minutes. This removes pressure. And once you start, something interesting happens. Your brain relaxes. The resistance drops. And suddenly, continuing feels easier. Third step. Focus only on action, not results. Most people failed because they think about the outcome. How long will this take? What if I fail? What if it's not perfect? These thoughts create pressure, and pressure kills discipline. So instead, ignore the result. Just focus on doing. Even if it's messy, even if it's slow, even if it's not perfect. Action builds momentum. Now here's the key. Repeat this daily. Not perfectly, not intensely, just consistently. One small action every day. Because discipline is not something you suddenly get. It's something you build. Like a muscle. At first, it feels weak, but every time you show up, even a little, it gets stronger. And over time, what once felt hard becomes normal. What once needed motivation becomes automatic. That's real discipline. Not forcing yourself, but becoming the type of person who takes action even when they don't feel like it. So next time you feel lazy, don't wait for motivation. Don't try to do everything. Just start small. Because discipline doesn't start with big effort. It starts with one simple step.